Okay, so setting up your machine to be able to create sort of paper plugins is very simple. You install IntelliJ IDEA, you install Java 21 in this case, you install Minecraft development plugin and IntelliJ IDEA marketplace, and to create your first command, you are very simply just going to do this. This meaning this plugin dot command get command, and then you enter the name of your command, set executor, and then you initialize it. The command itself is rather quite simple. You just do public class hello command, that is the name of your class, implements command executor, and all of this is going to be auto completed, and you will have okay, let me give you an example actually. You will have red underline, and you will be just able to implement methods, and boom. After that, you simply just do this. So what this does is it checks if the command sender isn't a player or the player isn't an operator on the server. If that is the case, it returns false and never runs anything underneath. If all of those or both of those are filled up or true, return true, we will take the player and send him a message that is a component with regular text, just hello back, and then we return true as successful command. And then in the plugin YML in the resources, we're gonna do commands hello, that is the name of the command, as you can see. And we're gonna do usage, which is this, and the description, which is just hello back. Also, when you start creating the project, you will have something like this. You will click on Minecraft, you will give it a name. Mod ID, mod name can be different. You shall give the group ID to be anything, but in the most common case, it's gonna be me dot your username, which could be pro gamer 360 381, whatever. But in this case, it's gonna be my thing. And over here, you're gonna choose plugin, paper, Gradle, Java, Minecraft version, of course, whichever one. This is going to be compatible with anything above 1.21.4, I think. So all of these, this is a tutorial for all of the above. All right. I have just set all of this up. The first time you run the server, it's going to give you almost none of this. It's going to give you just the EULA. You're going to have set this to true. You run the server again, it's going to generate all of the files that you need. And now let me open my Minecraft. Also over here you can see the Minecraft. You sadly cannot interact. Oh, my bad. You can. This wasn't a feature. This is a recent feature, I guess. But in here you can interact with the actual game, I guess. So let me just make myself an operator, which I just did. There we go. My Minecraft.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
No, thank you. I don't want the narrator. Let me full screen. GUI scale 3. Reader BMC. That rhymes. Yep. There we go. Multiplayer. Yes. Over here, it should appear, hopefully, as a local server. If not, just like in my case, it does not appear for some reason. You should go direct connection and just type in local host. Okay, so this happens because over here we set it to API version 1.21, which is supposed to be this. And over here we are gonna do this. Okay, so let's sync the Gradle project. This is going to take, yeah, a little bit of time, 5 seconds. And we can turn off the server and rerun it. Hopefully this time it will work. Okay, there we go. So downloading Mojang 1.21.8 jar. That is a good thing. That means that it's gonna be running the correct version, which last time it wasn't. But also that means that the plugin currently, as we have it, is compatible with any 1.21 version. So that is good. Okay, so it could appear now since the server started, and it should be the correct version, but again, it's not appearing, so let us connect with localhost and give it a second. There we go. But let us use the hello command. Hello back. Okay, so there you have it. This was a very rather simple tutorial. It lasted only about 5-6 minutes. The next tutorial is definitely going to be a little bit more complicated. Yeah, basically the next tutorial is going to be for making events and listeners. So, yep, there we go.